Welcome back everybody. It's now Thursday morning. We're back in this room. Everything's drying out okay, but it's more of a decorating job today, so I've just sorted some room out around these walls and we're going to start giving these walls a good rub down, and I'm using this, which many of you may have seen before, but I'll just run through it again for those that are sort of new to the channel. It's just it's a drywall sander, they sell it as. It's only a cheap one, a little Evolution one from Toolstation or Screwfix, wherever. But it's good. It's got a great big 225mm sanding head on it. So you get these big discs, which is fairly big. Let's just show you in comparison to something. Yeah, there's a pair of steps. You can see how big the head is there. And obviously that just spins and sands and things. And then what I do is I have it connected up to the Festool. So obviously I just turned that machine on there. The Festool comes alive and all the dust goes into that. So it's a really good way just to get your walls down quickly. Take all them old snots off and things like that. So I'll get on with that. I'll get over these walls and then I'll do the finer stuff with obviously a normal sander. Right down to the edges. I mean, that will get into the edges. It's pretty good. It will go right up to the edge of itself. And because it's got a light on it as well, it really highlights where all the bits and pieces are. So let's get on with that and I'll show you that in action. But by the end of the day, I want to get a colour or a coat on all these walls. I want all this woodwork rubbed down and I want to get all this old floor protection up because it's just full of plaster dust now. Have a good clear up and you just turn it into just a basic decorating job. Ready for some action? Let's get cracking with a knacking. I bought a new tool yesterday. I bought one of these scrapers, Hamilton Prestige. Got this out of Brewers. Got a nice decent blade on it. Just for things like this really. So they've got all this shitty old mastic in here which you can never paint over. So try and get it out really, because you've got better products now, you know, you can put like CT1 and stuff in here now, this other sort of much better cork that you can paint over. Gone are the days where I'm going to try and start painting over mastic. It's so easy when you start a decorating job just to want to see the bigger picture and just get all the walls covered. But it's always these bits that catch you out at the end of the job, I feel. So I try and address these early now. And all this stuff that you know is going to be a problem at the end of the job. Try and get it done first. And then if you do need extra filler and stuff on it, you've got that drying time. That's nice, like, good idea that. Pulls a nice line and get all that shit off there. Right, so we are going to be using a roller with the Hamilton Perfection. There's a theme here, Hamilton. I like the Hamilton stuff. That was that scraper. Treated myself to a new brush. Hamilton 2-inch cutting brush. Short and stubby. nice cutting brush, nice roller. And well, I've got a little mini thing as well, like a little mini one for the reveals and things like that. Everything here. Got the Purdy Jumbos, if I need them, which are pretty good. They obviously go onto that Purdy frame. But I'm just going to stick with this brush and this roller for now. And for the two of the big 3 of the walls, we're going to be using this, the Easy Care Apple White. So let's get cracking with the necking on that one. So I've been looking at my views lately, and I'm not sure if it's because of the summer, not a lot of people are watching, but from the amount of subscribers I've got to the amount of viewers I've got, it seems that less than half of my subscribers are actually watching anything I do. Get an average of, I don't know, 500, 600, 700 views, but I've got like 1,300 odd subscribers, so why aren't you watching me? Come on, it don't get much better than this, come on. I will do anything for views, but I won't do that. So everything that's having this apple white has had a first coat now, and now I'm going to clear out this stuff on the floor, all this protection. It's so dusty, I can't handle it. I can't handle being around that dust when I'm trying to do a decorating job. So I'm going to take a strip of that off along there, and I'm going to transfer all this stuff on the scaffold to that wall. Then I'm going to slowly clear this, have a good tidy up, and then it's just a fresh decorating job. So let's get on with that. So I'll let that dry now, have a little bite to eat, and then I'll give that a second coat, just to try and block that background out. But yeah, looking alright. Ceiling's drying, but I don't think it's going to be enough for this colour today, so I'll let it go again. But all going alright, all going alright. I am leaving it there today now, so all good. Let's had 2 coats. Tops of the skirtings have all had the 2 coats, so I can put the tape on tomorrow and then do the double thing with the tape. Where you paint the top, then paint the wall, peel it off, you should have a straight line. Filler, put all my filler around there where that paper tape was. That's all filled in, show you that there. That should all be good for rub down tomorrow. Filled in with screw holes. Just the usual really, nothing too exciting. But it's starting to look like a room now. And then obviously tomorrow morning, this should have picked up a lot more, so I'm just going to paint this tomorrow. There's no rush to get out of here tomorrow, but I do want 2 coats on this at least tomorrow, this ceiling. And then, what's tomorrow, Friday? And then I'll be back here next week when I will continue to move out into the hallway. So I've probably easily got another 4 or 5 days at this job, so there's no massive rush to get this room done, but I just want to get them so their bed is back up and running, you know, so they can sleep in it the weekend then. Good stuff. I'll see you back here in the morning for some painting. And that little scaffold has been an absolute dream. It really has been superb. So I'm going to shut up now and wish you all a good evening. And I'll see you probably tomorrow morning for some of this.